Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from UNice Hair. They sent over my favorite color, the reddish brown, and on top of that she's a yaki texture unit, so you already know how I feel about the unit, and I ain't even put on my head yet. They sent over one of their Bye Knots units, and she is a 7x5 glueless lace reddish brown yaki wig with pre-plucked hairline. If this is your first time ever hearing about UNice's Bye Knots collection, these units typically come with pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairlines, and on top of that the knots are typically pre-bleached. As you can see, that's exactly what you're getting with this unit. I have literally done nothing to this unit except for wash her and then straighten her. Like, that's it, that's all. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb in the back of the unit. It also has adjustable straps and a silicone strip to help grip onto the skin. It also comes with a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so, but just know if your unit doesn't come with the security band directly attached to the unit, make sure to check inside of the bag where the unit is because it might be in there. The lace space for this unit is a 7x5, meaning you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. The lengths offered for this unit are 14 all the way down to 24 inches, and I received the 24 inch. On the website, I'm not seeing the density for this unit. Never mind, I'm just kidding. It's 150% density, and I was gonna say UNice's typical density is 150% density, but in my opinion, and it could be because this is a yaki textured unit, it feels a little bit thicker than that, which I'm not mad about. In all honesty, I don't think that this is going to be a very complicated install. If anything, I'm probably going to like put a few layers in the front of the unit, you know, just to consider that for styling purposes and whatnot. But then other than that, y'all already know at the end I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah, good back and shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah, body feel color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life a Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so the nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you've been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjust till you lose life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown defense. You don't need a man, got your own defense.
Girl. Tell me I ain't cute. Tell me I ain't cute. If you say I ain't cute, you a hater. Don't be that way. That's not a good way to live life. Y'all, I love this color. I love this color so much. Like, reddish brown is literally my color. Like, I want to dye my real hair this color, but I'm too scared. And also, I don't want to like constantly have to put, you know, chemicals on my natural hair. But I love this color, y'all. On top of that, the texture of this unit is just like, I just love it so freaking much. Like, if we're gonna talk about this unit, I'm gonna start off by saying I don't have any cons about her, like, whatsoever. UNice did an excellent job on this unit in my opinion. The color is obviously beautiful. They did a really good job with pre-plucking this unit and also with the pre-bleached knots. I will say that you can see a few of the knots, but trust me, they're really small knots. You can tell that this unit has been pre-bleached. I did go in and add a little bit of concealer right here in the parting space, and that was just to define it a little bit. Y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of baby hairs, but I did go ahead and create some on this unit, and that's because I wanted to have like a slight little widow's peak a little bit. I don't know, I feel like it came out really cute. Again, I will say that I'm loving the density on this unit. She does feel nice and full, and as far as the sizing of the cap is concerned, I would say that this unit is big head friendly. When I first put the unit on, I noticed that I had like almost some flapping at the front where the lace is at, but I mean, I just went in with my like little flat iron and I don't want to say flat iron the lace, but I like quickly ran over the lace to flatten it. Yeah, and that kind of helped the lace lay down. I did ultimately end up cutting off the lace like right here in the front, but I did also want to let you guys know this unit is completely glueless right now. Like, I have no spray holding her down. I feel like I'm all over the place with this review, but that's because I'm just like really excited. I really like this unit. I think she would be like really cute in either a orange color, like an orange Yaki straight unit. Like, I feel like that'd be cute. UNice, if you ever create that, send her my way so I can review her. Y'all, I really don't have too much to say about this unit, and I don't want to keep talking just to drag this video out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TanDotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.